Stephanie here from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. Today's tutorial, oh boy, this is gonna be a fun one. All winter, nothing but winter, nothing but holidays, nothing but glitter and snow and flowers. I'm so stinking excited. Alright guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today is going to be a ton of fun. We are going to take this lovely milk glass vase. There we go. I got it. It just took a second. Milk glass vase. I love milk glass. Just love it. So we're going to take this and we're going to just make this large, kind of modern twist on a holiday arrangement. I'm so stinking excited. So let's jump right into it. The supplies, Sola wood flowers. We have some poinsettias, some roses, some flowers that we made to look more like a poppy. Frida, I love this color, kind of just a muted brown. And then we took a mystic moon and I just painted the centers green, and that's going to give the look of a poinsettia, a really large one for this piece. The greenery is clovers. This is like a cherry blossom that I had in my stash. Some lovely light green with like little bits of glitter all over it. That one sadly was not able to be added to the shop. We just didn't have enough of it, but I love it so much. And then this was a full pick that I've taken apart in lots of different pieces, and we're gonna use it throughout. There's one that's like kind of a closer filled one. So that's what we've got. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I want to create a swooping kind of motion. So I'm gonna start with my longer pieces. We're gonna start with the flowers, and I'm gonna start with my cherry blossom. I lost the word for a second. Okay, so we've got that, and now we wanna bring it on over. Remove some of this stuff so you can actually see what I'm doing and not just listen to me blabber on. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this longer one so that we can finish off, so I know where we're gonna stop. And then I think I'm going to, nope, don't like that. I want it to go down a little bit more. No, why are you not behaving to me? There we go. Okay, so we've got our flow down that way. And then what I think we're gonna do, I might wait to add these other pieces in until I'm a little bit closer to the end, so that I can fill it in the way I want, because I kind of feel like this one needs to go up. Yeah. We'll do it. We'll do it anyway. Okay. Well, we'll see. Right. There's what I'm looking at. I am gonna fill in a little bit of the back here with some pine and things like that so that we can fill in that space. I think I might actually need a little bit more pine now that I'm looking at this. So I might grab a couple other little sprigs to fill in the background. But for right now, we're just gonna start filling this in, keeping mindfulness of our highs and lows. Actually, before I add this, let's add a little bit more weight to our height. So there's that clover going up there, and then we'll grab another piece so that we can swoop on down. Perfect. We've got some height and dimension going on now. Now we're moving and grooving. Oh, look at that. So pretty. There we've got our form coming along real well. So now it's really just a matter of filling in that space with our pine pieces. What we'll do, we'll actually go, so I'm going to put my front facing this way instead of bringing it in the other way. So now that's kind of pushed out that way, so it completes it and kind of covers some of that foam. You could also, if you wanted to cover some of your foam, you put some moss at the bottom of this too, and that'll help add to cover that in. But I'm gonna kind of focus on filling in most of this space with my flowers and my greenery. All right, so my base is done, the greenery. I did take out the one piece of cherry blossom. Why can I not remember that word today? Cherry blossom, cherry blossom, cherry blossom. I took that out and put it back in so that it was brought back up to the top since it got kind of buried underneath. It was good to have to keep my shape, but I definitely lost it. So we still have this swooping. We do have a little bit more of like a center base. Now I do have some green foam you can see right there. But have no fear. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take this lovely Mystic Moon, and that's gonna be centered and like way down our piece, and that's gonna cover so much of our green floral foam, so we're not gonna worry about that. I am going to adjust it a little bit, bring it out a little bit more forward. There we go. Now we'll add the rest of the flowers. I'm just doing 3 of each style, so 1 big main one, and then 3 of the rest all sprinkled throughout. So we'll get to adding those, and we'll be done. A nice modern beautiful arrangement that's going on my dining room table. I'm so excited about this. I love it so much. It's a little over the top, but not like super over the top. Plus it means we get to play with those Mystic Moons, which I love that flower so much. And I love turning it into a poinsettia. So if you have any questions, like always, drop them in the comments. We'll answer them as soon as possible. To find out about the 150 style Sola flowers we carry, along with greenery and craft supplies, go to ohyourlovely.com. If you're new around here and want to try out Sola wood flowers for the first time, use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off your entire order. The code will also be in the description. If you have any questions, like always, send us a message. All right, guys, have a lovely day. We will see you super soon. This is Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys. Oh, I forgot. Subscribe. Ring the bell. All that stuff.